Good morning, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. With a minute and 50 until cash open, you should see IWM on the screen. To be honest with you guys, I'm not 100% sure on direction. We have two reports that came out. One at, I believe, 8:30, the other one at 9:15. And they're both bad reports. Let me see if I can go to it real quick. So we have industrial production, very bad, very, very bad. Both current and previous are well below zero. Even though current is a little higher, they're still well below zero. And then if we look at retail sales, both are below zero, with current just a little higher than previous. Either way, they're both bad in my opinion. We're seeing the previous is a little high or a little lower than current. We actually went above consensus month over month. So I mean, even though we have bad reports, we have a huge single print. There is a lot. What I'm seeing so far with 35 seconds until cash, I'm not seeing new money coming in to protect the buy, more so to the sell, especially right here. So I have both, man. I have calls, 233 calls. I have 234 calls. I also have 232 puts and 233 puts with 232 on deck. I'm just gonna let the market tell me what it's doing. I don't have any direction right off bat, but maybe we can get some clarity once the market open in 4 seconds. Two, one, market's opening now. And that's a big, big drop there. It's like buyers are getting caught up a little bit. 55 cent per contract on a 232 put. I like it, but I'm not sure yet. Even though this may be the 935 candle may be the clue we're looking for, because every time we hit here, we're going higher. All right, so that is 55 cents per contract on the 232 puts. Okay. 65 cent or 67 cents. So okay, I just got half. All right, so that just gave me half a goal. 57, 67 was half. Ooh, that right. Look how that bounced back up. 67 on the put. Move my stop to capture that half. So it looks like we're good on the halfway mark. This is going to take everything on the second part of it. Yeah, he had to be quick on that. I want to see what if there's a second opportunity too, because there may be another one. Well, I like that we are bouncing. All right, okay, so I'm out on the second. All right, that's half a goal. That's not anything amazing. Yeah, that was quick. That had to be, you had to be quick on that one. And I'm not really sold on this bump higher though. I want to see maybe another reaction on that one. To me, the catalyst, because we're seeing price going higher, right? No volume there. Testing the close of the 13th, which was Friday. got a feeling we go back red. And again, I'm not my feelings aren't always 100, but as we pushing higher, there's no volume there, but that's not to say all right, that was a quick sell. Half a goal, 57 on the entry, 67 was the half. Didn't even get close to 20 cent. I'm not convinced. That doesn't mean I'm right, but I'm not convinced. So I'm gonna just watch it for a little bit and see. Because maybe the market felt like even though we were both numbers were below zero, that because the current was higher, and again we did have single print, so you can expect that single print. So yeah, I was looking for the buy as well, and especially extreme low, but I just wasn't 100% on it. Right, as you can see, no volume here, no volume here. And as we're creeping into the 233s, we're seeing no real volume there. See, there's single prints on both sides, even on the pre-market, right? From the 8:30, I mean from the 8 candle, 8 o'clock candle. I'm just not convinced. I don't really know. If there's another opportunity here, I mean, I think that would be awesome. So that is 10,000 buyers on 905,000 in volume. So let's see what this candle does to even think there would be another opportunity there. Right now, that's not there. And you had to be quick on the draw unless you bought. And then, like I said, that single print was there. It's a lot of volume. So it may it right now the buyers are definitely in control. Okay, there's 20,000 buyers here. Let's see what happens with it. What happens with this candle will tell it all, right? There's more sellers, more buyers than this candle. This first candle was 10,000 buyers. This is now 33,000 buyers. And let's see what happens with that candle. If we continue to run, then the buyers are still in control. If there is some kind of fade below that, then we know that the sellers are not present. Still more sellers. I mean, I'm sorry, more buyers, but the volume is not there, which I mean could be telling, right? Could be telling. But we just have to see. Right now, there's a struggle, but it's still 3 minutes of this candle, so just let it play out. Volume and buyers are in this candle, and right now it's pushing higher and higher. So that is telling me at the moment the buyers are still there. Single prints from yesterday. And you can see there's a bit of a here right there. Look at that, 107,000 came in. Now, what does that mean at the moment? It's a lot of activity. I tell you that, a lot of buyers too. But let's wait till the end of this candle to see what that really means. So half a goal today. Had to be very quick on that one. 57 was an entry. 67 was the halfway mark. Paying to cash out on 75%. And yeah, see, we're now still buyers are still in control. So this may be a result of that single print, and and we also had extreme low down there as well. So maybe that report wasn't as bad as people may think. Or at least I thought. Maybe the market felt that it was a positive thing. Again, we still have a minute and 20 seconds of this candle. All right, 100,000 buyers, 500. I mean, the volume is creeping, 500,000 in volume, and we're still not respecting that. This could be where you may find another opportunity here. I would give it another, see, we got a minute left for this candle. Give it to like 2 seconds of the candle to the close. And then see, now we're dropping down. See how that's falling now? 113,000 buyers, a half a million or more in volume, 39 seconds of that candle. As of right now, okay, now it's pushing back up. So the buyers are still in control. I was going to say the last 20 seconds of this candle will be telling. All right, 15 seconds left. I mean, that's a lot of volume and a lot of buyers for it to get absorbed there. All right, next candle. 600,000 in buyers volume, 120,000, sorry, in buyers. And we had a nice little tail there. I am not going to participate in it though, because I've already made some money. And again, I learned a long time ago, once you make money, just get out of it. There's no need to try to play again or take a risk again. So this candle to me, just maybe even more important than this candle, this is telling, right? This is very telling. But this, if there follow through with it, if there's no follow through, right now there's 18,000 buyers and the volume is a little under 100. Now we just made 100. This candle will be telling to me. Otherwise, that could be probably taking profit. But right now, there's no follow through. We're definitely green on the day. We'll see. Let's see what happens. That's 17, 18,000 buyers, 130 in volume. So we'll struggle. That may be the push right there. I think if we go back to a red, which is drop the open 232, 40, 78. Was that 78? 232, 78, something like that. I think if we drop the open 232, 67, then that would pretty much be a telltale sign that we flipped, that the sellers took control, buyers have given up, but we haven't done that yet, obviously. We're not at 230, 267. We're ways from that. So half a goal today. This is exactly the reason why I take 75% off the table. I always want to get that 20. Trust me. It doesn't always work out that way. Um, but to take 75% of my position off the table to make some money, daily profit. So we're getting close to that open. Was it 232.67 was the open. We had 11, well, we were 12 cent above that previously. Oh, we're getting closer to it. So we just dropped the open. So we flipped red. Right? We flipped red. Does that mean that we make a new low? I don't know. I don't know about that one. It's possible. I mean, if the selling continues, again, we're both of those numbers pre and post were below zero. Obviously, current, not I said pre and post, I'm sorry. Current and post or previous were below zero on the chart on the RPI chart, with current being just slightly above on the retail and extremely above on the industrial chart. So there is a push to sell. Now, if we make a new low, then that's yeah, the sellers are definitely the market is definitely dropping. So the low 232.20 is the current low. All right. So half a goal could have got in for a second opportunity, but nine times out of ten, man, I just try to take my money, keep it, and just go for another day. I didn't even think I was gonna have the opportunity to trade today, let alone record, but grateful for that because I may not be able to do it tomorrow the way things are shaping up. Which I don't trade. I don't record on Wednesdays anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But if I don't trade, see, there's a push, and We're pushing past. Now, again, that doesn't mean we're gonna make a new low, but it would be cool, right? I think if we made a new low, then we're officially red on the day anyway. But to make a new low, I mean, that's yeah, you already know who's in control. And I think we have something coming out at 10, right? Am I not mistaken? 10 o'clock. Oh, business inventory. That's not a market move. Something to pay attention to, but not a market mover. So nothing there. I want to see before I end this recording if we make a new low, that would be pretty awesome. That would be pretty awesome if we did, just to see who's really in control of it. Because right now we're seeing sellers drop the market, but that doesn't mean we're gonna end in a red day. It could be some profit taking. We hit the first sign of resistance here and here. Actually, we hit it. Yeah, this one's the first sign of resistance. This deviation there. But I'm gonna let it run for another 14 minutes just to see if we do make a new low. I'm seeing a lot of volume coming in, so that could be profit taking, or that could be a reversal. Profit taking sometimes can result in a reversal, so be careful with that. But I'm curious. Let me make it a little bigger so I can see it. It's a lot. 11,000 with 339,000 in volume. So that right there was definitely telling that 935 candle. So we definitely are red on the day. Again, the open was 232.67. We are now 232.56, 54. So we're not far from the open, but we're definitely below what makes it a red day. Now, can we flip back green? That's telling. That's let's go to regular hours since we're already in the market. And this the way we can see what's happening. So opens here, we're here. Now we drop. Okay, so we're still in A period. Uh, so A period has dropped the market. Had a quick buy up of that single print from yesterday. See, I was unsure because of that single print and then also the news, the reports. I didn't have a good handle on direction until I saw the drop of the close of the 13th, the open of yesterday, and there's no volume up here. Really, if we are in control, the sellers are in control, truly in control, then I will want us to drop and make new lows if they're truly in control. I got a few of you guys hit me up. I'll I'll hit you back in a minute because I'm curious, very curious what we see and do here. I would love to see us drop the make a new low at 232.20 is the current low. I would love to see us drop this value low of the 13th. Then I'll be, I won't say happy, but um my curiosity would be fed on that. Okay, so we just made a new low, 232.19. 232.19. Yep, 232.19 was the new low. Okay. So that just fed my curiosity. 232.19, and we keep going further and further. So that, in my opinion, the sellers are truly in control. And so okay, so my thought process this morning, again, I wasn't completely sure on direction, because there was a nice single print, and let me show y'all real quick what I saw. Instead of talking about it, I'd rather show you. Here, this is a huge single print from yesterday. This is yesterday's profile, Monday, December 16th, from roughly 233.62 down to roughly 232.20. That's a huge single print area, based off a heavy volume from Friday the 13th. You see this profile. So that was to be expected. What my thought of with the reports, the retail and industrial, both in my opinion were negative, right? RPI chart, both again are going below zero, trending below zero with current higher than previous. So you can kind of take that as a positive in that regard, but both are bad, right? And I think what's really even more telling than the retail report was the industrial report, where previous, I mean, is streaming, screaming or falling or fading, whatever word you want to use, all the way down here to the look like to the 45 or to 35, right? Yeah, but even though previous is lower than current, they're both trending sharply down. So I was leaning more towards the fade, but I wasn't 100% sure on the fade. I wanted to wait to see something. This is my when I got in to get half. Now, if I would have got in the second time, I definitely would have got a lot more than that. But this is the first 5 minutes, seeing price going to up into the 233.20 area, and there's little to no volume there, right? That was kind of my good feeling moment. I went from being unsure to being 90% sure. All right. And then this right here, we talked about that in real time, the 935 candle. There's 120,000 buyers, 618 in volume, and this spike down or this tail, tweezers and there's a lot of other analogies for this type of tail with that high volume in it, was telling. And then you can see the sellers came in full force there, and we are continuing to fall. So good day, good day. Again, not 100% sure, but again, when you're not sure, just sit on your hands, let the market come to you. You can't force it. We don't play with enough money to um, decide which way the market go anyway. We're playing follow the leader. It's just all about following the leader, reading the tape or reading the not the tape because it's not the tape, reading the receipts, order flow, footprint, the receipts in real time to see, all right, where are they buying, where they're not buying, or where they selling, where they're not selling. All right. All right, guys. That's a great day. We had a great day yesterday, great day today. I didn't get a chance to record yesterday because I don't record on Mondays. But I did post a little short about it yesterday. But be able to record today when I didn't think I was going to be able to. It's a good feeling. I'm glad I was able to do so. So as always, guys, I hope you find value in my videos. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to send a comment or leave me a comment, whether on here, YouTube, or on my other social medias, Instagram or Facebook. I will reply back to you. All right, guys, until next time, I'll probably see you guys again on Thursday. That is December the 19th. Talk to y'all then. Peace. Well, not quite because I can't find a button until all right, until I got it now. Until next time, guys. Peace.